'cause you're here. Pillow. What you want for the pillow, Ash? You want to sleep? You want to borrow my pillow? Take. Parmeshwar, hello, welcome back. Thank you, thank you. Please like and subscribe, guys. Still swollen, went to doctor Thursday. She gave me a prescription for ano. Okay, okay, Jan. Get well soon, Jan. Get well soon. Always take care. We really don't know, you know, like sometimes it happens. Accident is always there, so we have to take care ourselves, guys. Good morning, Hawkeye. How are you? Yes, you can take it, Ash. Parmeshwar, hello, welcome. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Get well soon, John. Get well soon. I hope you will be okay very soon. For me, I will be back to work na tomorrow. My pleasure. Nais kong mabuhay sa haba ng panahon. Kung ika'y mawawalay at ako'y lilipas din, ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay. It puts me behind schedule on work. Yes, but you know, sometimes like, which is it should not be. Like sometimes I can understand for those like especially for those who are managers. So of course you have like specific responsibilities. So sometimes when it happens like that situation, and then when you come back to work, you will have a lot of loads. You will have a lot of pending works then. But we cannot avoid those situations. It's always happened. Ta-da. He left the splendor in heaven. His destiny was the lonely hell of Golgotha. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. God bless you all. Thank you, Boo. Thank you, Jan. Parmeshwar.